Have you ever wondered why mighty empires fall? What secrets lie behind their sudden collapse? Today, we uncover the story of a civilization that once ruled the world and influenced beyond imagination. From the rise of great leaders to the battles that shaped history, this is the untold tale of ambition, betrayal, and the lessons that echo through time. Stay with us, explore the rise and fall of one of history's greatest empire. The Roman Empire was not an ordinary state. It was a system that lasted for centuries. Large parts of Europe, Africa, and Asia were ruled by Rome. Roman law, Roman armies, Roman culture. All of these shaped the ancient world. The Roman army was considered unbeatable. Roman engineering and roads amazed the world, and Roman civilization became a symbol of power and progress. But the real question is, how did such a powerful empire collapse? Many people say Rome fell in a single day, but the truth is empire never collapse in a day. They slowly weaken from within, and then one day history records their fall. Over time, Roman rulers became lost in luxury and pleasure. Justice became weaker, corruption spread, and the elite became richer and more powerful. Meanwhile, ordinary people suffered. The treasury of the state began to empty, yet the places continued to shine with gold. When the more structure of a society weakens, its institutions and armies weaken too. In Roman society, immorality increased, cruelty became common. Social discipline began to break. The once fearless warriors became comfort loving soldiers. And history teaches us one thing: when nations fall asleep in comfort, enemies wake up. Rome's economy also began to decline. Taxes increased, trade slowed down, and the value of currency dropped. Government expenses kept rising, but income kept shrinking. Eventually, the economic system became unstable. Inside the empire, power struggle began, one emperor after another. Each ruler brought new policies, and each policy created new problems. Political instability slowly hollowed out the empire from within. There was a time when the Roman army was made of Roman citizens, but later Rome started hiring mercenary soldiers, soldiers who had no love for Rome and no loyalty to the empire. As the result, the strength of the Roman army declined. Then the day finally came when invading forces reached the gates of Rome. The gates were no longer strong. The army could not defend the city, and Rome quietly collapsed. There was no legendary final battle, no final heroic defender. A great empire simply faded into history. Rome was not destroyed by its enemies. Rome collapsed from within. The enemies only delivered the final push. When nations abandon justice, when systems drown in corruption, when power turns into arrogance, history prepares a new Rome and writes a new fall. This was today's story, a powerful lesson from history. You were watching VOA TV documentary, and I was your host Muhammad Naveed. See you in the next video with another fascinating secret from history.